So my name is Vincent. I study French, English literature and history, and I was lucky enough to get A-star AAA. I'm feeling absolutely amazing. I'm so excited and really shocked. I'm still definitely in shock. It hasn't quite sunk in yet, but I'm so happy with my results. I just can't put it into words. I'll be going to Cambridge University to study French and Russian at Clare College, and then should everything go to plan in university, I'm hoping to become an interpreter. So my Russian story actually begins in Germany, oddly enough. So I was 15, I was in Germany, and obviously there's a lot of war memorabilia there, and a lot of it is in Russian. And I started to fall in love through the study of history with Russian culture, Russian history, the Russian language, and the Russian people are very unique as well. So I thought, well, why not just teach myself the Russian language now, rather than wait until I'm 19 and in university? And that's exactly what I did. So I went online and I used tons of websites. I bought loads of textbooks, books in Russian, I watched Russian films, and I even used language exchange applications to meet other Russian teenagers who were learning English, so that then I could really enhance my Russian skills and speak more like a native rather than just a student. It was amazing to be able to sit down with a Russian native and actually connect with them. We would meet up about 2 or 3 times every week in Neath Library, and we would talk in Russian, we would talk in English. She would sometimes bring Russian stories and read them to me, or ask me to read them so she could correct me. I would bring English things for her. So it was a very, very equal exchange, and I would always ask her so many curious questions about Russia. And likewise, she would ask me about my plans for Cambridge, oddly enough, so I'll have to update her now.